But the system does not exist. But it's all a lie. Lungile is fine. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, Isita had an idea. They did not want to pay Mnyama imali eningi, but they needed to come up with a solution that will create Mnyama loyal. And so they introduced the DOP system. Or the thought system, depends on what you call it. Kodwa kuleyo system, they will pay umntomnyama imali encane, and then umntomnyama would line up to receive Amanda. The DOP system was a payment method introduced by Isita. Understand ukuthi the workers, abantu abamnyama, were given a regular and consistent ration of Amanda. They even had cup. That's why kuthiwa i-DOP system, there was a DOP size cup. Understand ukuthi the system was a form of control. Ngobani, they would use it to increase productivity as a reward ukuthi umuntu omnyama ajabule. And if wawuhlupha and you only challenged the system, it was also used as a disciplinary action. Bebencisha Amanda in form of punishment. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi this wasn't random. Isita planned this. They knew ukuthi if they give umntomnyama Amanda, it will make them less likely to resist the system, easy to manipulate, and more dependent on the farm owner. By introducing the DOP system, understand ukuthi ama-farmers reduced ama-cost abo because they had to pay less to abantu abamnyama, and they used low quality Amanda. Understand ukuthi workers became addicted and needed Amanda. They became dependent and couldn't leave the farm because bibani Amanda, and they were trapped in the system. And understand, you had to choose ukuthi Amanda umfuna at the end of the day unikwe icup encane, a DOP size cup, or umfuna at the end of the week unikwe a jug that you get to take home, or umfuna at month end and you are given a big one that you could take home and drink with their family. This system that they introduced destroyed ingqondo yomuntu omnyama. Why? Because it normalized Amanda from a young age. Workers, abantu abamnyama, were given Amanda on a regular basis. Simbona njalo ubaba ekhaya ephuze Amanda. Understand ukuthi in some cases even teenagers were exposed to lesimo, and most of all, drinking became part of a daily life, not a choice, because siyazi ukuthi month end, noma end of the week, noma end of the day, ubaba uzobuya ekade ephuze Amanda. One bread, one family. Vote for ANC.
Can you understand ukuthi makukhulunywa nge-foreign policy kukhulunywa ngani? Yeah, I understand that. Kancane. All right, but as a young person, when you talk about issues of foreign policy, South Africa's stance on US and wars, what's your view as a young person?
As a young person,
Ukabulela language aha.
what's that again? Re batla mebereko, re batla dilo tse dintsinyana, tlhabologo ko magaeng.
So ditaba tsa di-war, ha ona le ditaba tsa tsona le tsona wena.
Taba tseng?
Tsa di-war, bo ma-Trump, Iran, Ukraine, Russia, o naganang ka tsona ka ntho tsena as a young person?
They are marrying. Ke tse dintsi so.
All right. Well, it seems as if some of these supporters, it seems as if some of these supporters do not really full comprehension of the actual purpose of this match. Mama, what's today according to your understanding? Why ulimo?
Ngizela ngokuthi